Hello guys. The rain is so loud. Do you hear it? Oops. Okay there. Ah. Hello everybody. We're trying landscape today, so let me know if this is better or not, but we're just experimenting for today. Cause some people keep saying hindi nila nakikita, so that's what we're doing for today. Welcome to the live, what's your name? Period. You don't have a name. The hamster emoji, hamster face. Mia Queen, hello Rutherford. Yung bro nyo, he's not here right now. I don't know actually. I think he's sleeping. Pero, ayun. So, I don't know how we're gonna delete this. Here, let's see. I wanna make a few videos. Wala pang nagagawang videos, guys. But, I think I want to make some. So, let's write that down. We want to make synthetic division. What do you guys think is a good thing to make a video? Na parang sa TikTok lang, na maikli. Like, 2-minute video. Synthetic division, I think, is one. And then maybe yung shortcuts on how to multiply and divide. Ask ko lang paano nakuha yung 10. Saan yung 10? Oh, here? Hindi siya related sa problem, by the way. Synthetic division lang to. So, eto hindi siya related sa problem. Pero, what we did here is, so synthetic division, copy down the 2 over here. Tapos, you need to multiply 2 times negative 2, which will be equal to negative 4. And then you have to add 1 plus 4, negative both, is equal to negative 5. And then negative 5 times negative 2 is equal to 10. So, if you want another example of this, you're not late, we just started. Paano alisin comments daw, guys? Hindi ko din alam. I think swipe left daw. What do you think about the landscape, guys? Is it better or not? But yes, we can decide at the end of the live. But I hope it's not better. Di sanay. Should I turn it back? Pero next live na lang. Kasi pag in-upload ko sa YouTube, technically mas kita siya for me. I mean, kasi landscape na siya. So, pwede nyo i-full screen, yes. If hindi nyo nakikita. Basta turn nyo i-full screen and then we can decide later pagdating sa... May dual mode kasi na pwede portrait or landscape pero hindi daw kaya ng graphics card ko. So, does that mean I need a better laptop? Oh, wait lang. I don't have text here. I'm gonna put my, while we're waiting, guys, make sure to like the live. We'll start in 2 more minutes. We always start 5 minutes in. So, let me just add my YouTube ad. YT is Julia for recordings. What? I just started.
Look.
What?
My profs, they're magjowa, and then they just...
Don't say any names.
Yeah, they just made a cover of like...
What? Say the T.
Free.
What does that mean? What's free?
The K-pop demon hunters.
So you're gonna play it or not?
Huh? Yeah. They're just like so funny, it's so cute.
Are profs even allowed to date?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I thought it was the other song.
It's just so funny.
Why is it funny?
Huh?
Why is
No,
it
like,
funny?
It's like, it's cute. Like, not funny. It's like cute. You get what I mean?
Yeah, is this big news? Yeah, it's raining so hard, guys. I hope you're okay. Your turn to cover. Go.
Cover mouth.
Cover ang mouth.
Okay, bye. Do you have food? I'm hungry.
Oh, it's all gone.
What the heck? Huh? It's all gone? Like
Yeah.
everything? Oh,
Check the ref.
I'm gonna cook something. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm just adding the text and then we can start, guys. Bold. Classic. Okay. Color fill. Haha. Is this too big? Let's make it smaller. There. Edit. Wait, guys. Hello, Skindray. Welcome to the live, guys. I feel like there's not gonna be a lot of people because today is a very rainy day. Guys, may nahulog nga na billboard sa Katip if you saw it. I mean, I just saw it on TikTok. And then I saw one where my friend sent it na there was a car that there was like a big boulder on the car. Like it crushed the whole car. Bakit daw po ang late ng face cam? We're trying landscape mode for today, pero baka bukas if ayaw nyo, balik tayo ng portrait. Where did I put the pen? Okay, here. Game, guys. I'm gonna delete the synthetic division for now. Where can I put it? Actually, let's try to put it somewhere. Ay, hindi siya kasha. I'm deleting it, guys. Or down here. Down here. Let's do that later. Okay, are we ready? Number 86. Ano po? Ay, mahirap pala to kasi may poll. I don't know what will happen, guys, when I open the poll. Let's see. I'm gonna turn on the poll. I don't know how landscape mode works, by the way. So, we're just trying it out today for a chill live. You're not late, Daniel. This is our first question. So, turning on the poll. Quick poll. Wait, no. Custom. 3 minutes for the poll. Starting now. Okay, you can start guessing or later na. And then, let's see. If x equals y plus 4 and x equals 20 minus y, then what is the value of x squared minus y squared? Mongol 2 pencil, eraser, and test permit. So, that's what you need, Nico said. May test permit na ba, guys? Or wala pa? Volume is mahina. Oh, sorry. I moved far away. Wala pa daw. Okay. So, what are we gonna do? So what do we know about... Are you guys answering the poll? It's over... Frig, I can't point at it. It's over here. Is the poll over here? Somewhere here. Haha. Okay. So, letter B is people's answers. What do we know about this, guys? What do you call this concept again? What is this concept called? Dots. Amazing. I'll explain later. Yes, Raphael. Hello, Mythical. No, you're not late. And Ken. Yes, it's a difference of two squares. Always remember that, guys. Difference of two squares is equal to x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Wow, I kinda like the big screen, but I don't know about you guys. Yes, new setup for today. We're just trying out landscape mode so that maybe it's better for the people on YouTube, but I don't know. We're gonna see, guys. So what do we do here? If x equals y plus 4, let's write that down. We have to try to form... Ang goal natin is mahanap etong si x plus y and x minus y. So, first we have this one. X is equal to y plus 4. Ang gawin natin, i-transpose natin dito si y. That will give us x minus y is equal to 4. And then we have the second equation. X is equal to 20 minus y. X is equal to 20 minus y. Transpose y to the other side. And that will give us x plus y is equal to 20. So as you can see, x plus y is this one over here. And x minus y is this one over here. So, all we have to do is multiply both of them. And 20, oh wait, let's see. If x minus y is 4 and x plus y is 20, we can just multiply 4 and 20. And 4 and 20 is equal to 80. Wow, I like this question. I'm gonna make a video. So the answer is letter B. Let me write that down. I want to make a video on that one. Okay, amazing guys. Thank you. Okay, so just because people are starting to get in, welcome to the live. Make sure to share the live guys para di tayo paulit-ulit. So basically, we have this concept is the difference of two squares, which is x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Eto guys, given ito, okay? You have to memorize that kasi lalabas talaga yun sa UPCAT. As in, lagi yun lumalabas sa UPCAT. Tapos, we have this, and then ang ginawa natin, we transposed y over here para maging x minus y siya. And then, ito naman, yung second equation, tinranspose din natin si y para magkatabi sila, and naging x plus y siya. So, as you can see, yung x plus y times x minus y dito is the same thing as x plus y times x minus y. Okay? And then dahil may value sila, may value siya na 4 and may value siya na 20, pwede natin sila i-multiply into 4 times 20, which is 80. Hindi ko makita mukha mo. Guys, we're here to study, okay? Pero, I don't know also, I wanna do dual mode, pero hindi kaya ng graphics card daw, sabi dito sa TikTok. So, we're gonna vote later at the end of the live if you guys want portrait or landscape, okay? So just immerse yourself right now into landscape mode, and we're gonna talk later at the end of the live if this is what you want or not. It's hard to pass ME and Ateneo because it is an honors course. So, guys, if you're from a public school, for me, I think you should still apply to Ateneo kasi free ang application. So, if gusto niyo lang mag-try mag-exam sa Ateneo, and then maganda dun sa loob, guys. So, yes, you can try to take the exam lang just for the clout, and then pwede nyo sabihing pumasa kayo. So, yeah, just make sure to apply for Ateneo. And then, madami din silang scholarships. Pero October pa ata or September ang application start. Tapos, what else? Mahirap yung honors courses kasi dapat nasa 15% kayo ng pumasa. So, pretend 10,000 ang nag-apply. Tapos, dapat nasa top 1.5 kayo nang nag-take pala ng exam para mapunta sa mga honors course. So, for example, my course is ME or Management Engineering. Dapat nasa top 1.5 kayo out of the 10,000 people who applied. So, that's how you get into the honors courses. Management Engineering is the course. Similar siya sa Industrial Engineering. Pero madami pang ibang honors course like may Economics honors, ganun. Iba-iba yung honors courses. And then may honors courses din sa STEM, like human science or something. What is that? Human bio? I don't know what it's called. Yes. Exam in Ateneo is either October or November. Okay, are we ready for the next question, guys? Can we get it to 10k likes while I just drink water? Because I feel like my voice is running out already. What if private but scholar? I think need pa rin magbayad. As far as I know, public lang ang may free application. I'm gonna start the poll also. If you guys are already solving, you can answer the poll. Okay. The sum of squares of two numbers is 225, and the square of their sum is 441. What is the reciprocal of their product? Ooh. Okay, so let's write that down, guys, slowly. The poll is up, so if you wanna answer the poll or guess, you can answer the poll. So, the sum of two numbers, when they say two numbers, always make it x and y, okay? So, you have to set the values for x and y. So, the sum of the squares is x squared plus y squared is equal to 225. What is the what's the second one? And the square of their sum, x plus y squared, is equal 2, 4, 4, 1. What is the reciprocal of their product? So we want to know their product. And reciprocal is baligtad. So for example, 3/2, ang reciprocal niya ay 2/3. Okay? So babaligtarin lang ang fraction. Okay, so what do we do here, guys? Dito na papasok ang knowledge natin about formulas and equations. So for what we're gonna use here is the formula this. Does anybody know what the formula for x plus y squared is? Can you guys write it down? Pero mahirap siya isulat. But yes, it's the equation. What's the formula ng x plus y squared? What's the formula, guys? It's x squared plus, wow, Adam, yes, good job. Adam said x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So you need to memorize these formulas. For example, pag sinabing x plus 4 squared, need mo siya i-square. Kailangan alam mo yung formula. So x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And then as you can see, guys, let me just write it down as a whole. As you can see, ang difference lang nito, this is the one right here. Ang difference lang nila dito ay this is x squared and this is y squared. So, eto lang yung kulang. Kita nyo ba? Yung pink na lang yung kulang sa equation natin. And ang hinahanap kasi natin is yung product, reciprocal ng product, which is 1 over xy. So, ang kailangan muna natin hanapin is xy. Okay? So, xy muna ang hahanapin natin. How do we do that? So, that will be 4 for 1. Ipasok na natin sa equation. So, x squared plus y squared is 4 for 1 based on the given is equal to x squared plus y squared, which is 225 plus 2xy. Okay? Plus 2xy. So, what we're gonna do is transpose sa kabilang side si 225. What's 441 minus 225, guys? 441 minus 225 is equal to 2xy. 216? 216 is equal to 2xy. And dahil may 2 pa, product lang ang hinahanap natin, we're looking for xy. Okay? So, divide both sides by 2, and that will give us xy is equal to 108. And dahil reciprocal ang hanap natin, you just have to make it 1 over xy, which is 1 over 108. And the answer, guys, is letter B. So, 14 people got letter B. Good for them. Bye, Nico. Come back. Come back soon. What are you ordering, Nico? Tell us what food you're ordering. What part did you not get, guys? Let me know. Let me know. So, we're gonna start from the top. Okay, if that's what you want. Amazing. Yes, amazing. Okay. Is this for usted? You can also use it for usted. Actually, the usted is easier. So, if you guys are already reviewing for the UPCAT, madadalian na kayo sa ibang test. So, it's best to go all out sa review nyo right now para chill na lang kayo. Excuse me. But dinivide sa 2 because 2xy siya. So, dinivide siya sa 2 kasi 2xy. Gusto natin matanggal yung 2 para maging xy na lang siya. Kaya siya dinivide sa 2. So, we're gonna start from the top, guys, just to explain it better. Yes, para ma-summarize natin. The sum of squares of two numbers is 2 to 5. Actually, there's another way to solve this, guys. Where po galing ang 108, dinivide natin ang 216 divided by 2. 216 divided by 2 will give us 108. Okay? 216 divided by 2 is 108. Math lang po ni-review nyo. Usually math, we've done language proficiency, but I think math is the hardest so far na need talaga ng mga tao, which is why I usually do math. Yes. Ba't po may A? Asan yung A? Feel ko typo lang yun, guys. Let's take it off. It's a typo. Wala namang A dyan. Okay. So, I'm just gonna start from the top, explaining it again. So, we have sum of two squares is equal to 2 to 5. Ito yung unang equation. Sum of two squares is 2 to 5. And the square of their sum is 441. So, sum nila is a square daw, kaya x plus y squared is equal to 441. So, what we did, nilagay lang natin yung given into equation form. And then, mapapansin natin, ito kasi is the equation of x squared plus y squared. This is a given formula, guys. Na x squared plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Dapat memorize nyo na yan. Okay? And then, from there, kita nyo, based sa highlight ko, na itong orange, ito din yun, di ba? Same lang itong dalawang orange. Tapos, itong yellow part na to, na x plus y, same lang yan sa x squared dito, plus y squared. So, ang natitira na lang na hindi pa natin nahanap is itong 2xy. So, ang ginawa natin, we substitute na for the given na meron na tayo. We usually start at 8 a.m. So, this is, etong x squared, given na siya dito, kaya natin nilagay na 441. 441 here. Tapos, etong yellow na x squared plus y squared, we make it 225. So, pinagsama na natin. Dito siya nanggaling, guys. Are we still going fast? 8 p.m.? a.m. ba sabi ko, Nico? Nico, are you back? What did you order, Nico? Nico, libre kita. May grab ba dyan? Wait, ano po yung isang way? Wait lang, okay, we're gonna finish this way. Tapos, itong 2xy yung hinahanap natin. So, ito na lang yung hinahanap natin. Meron, what do you want, Nico? Char. mamaya. And then, so what we're gonna do is we transpose 225 on the other side, and that will be 441 minus 225. Right? So, tinranspose lang natin para maiwan si 2xy. Tapos, ayun lang. So, after you minus this, magiging 216 siya. And then, divide both sides by 2 para matanggal si 2 dito. Kasi xy lang ang gusto nating hanapin. So, yes. And then, that will give us 108. And that's kind of it. Cause, wait, Mirin at the juice. Sarunar. Wait, are you Jacob? Is that Jacob? I keep or not? Okay. So, that will be 1 over 108. Which is, saan ako yung 1? We're looking for the reciprocal. Okay. You took the SAT, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you, incomprehensible. Congrats on getting a good score on the SAT. Oh, you're not Jacob. Okay. You sound like Jacob, the other person who's always here. Okay, so the other trick, guys, if you wanna try a different version, which I think could be easier, is, what do we know about, okay, over here pa lang, you can see x squared plus y squared is equal to this. To me, pagkasabi pa lang dito ng the sum of two squares is 225, do you guys know what 225 in square root is? Do you know the square root of 225? Ako kasi, the way I would answer this, as a shortcut yes, mu, it's 15. So, alam ko na this is 15, right? And then, what do we know? Give me a Pythagorean triplet na 15 ang letter C. Kasi, paano ba ma-explain? Okay, so, diba itong x squared plus y squared, same lang yan as a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And c dito ay 225. And c is 15. So, what do you think? Yes, G-Shack. Again, we always go back. Guys, remember, 3, 4, 5 is the essence of the entire UPCAT. Char. We're always forever gonna use 3, 4, 5. And how does, you may ask, how does that fit in, right? 3, 4, 5 is in 3, 4, 5. Ang katulad niya, I mean, in 15, diba 15 yung dulo. So, ano yung ka-ratio niya? This is a Pythagorean triplet na we always explain and we always use in geometry. But it also works for other things, okay? So, alam ko na 15 yung dulo. So, what is the other two? Basically, how do you go from 5 to 15? You multiply by 3. Kaya siya naging 9, 12, 15. 9, 12, 15. And then, so, dito pa lang, alam ko na 9 and 12 ang x and y. So, what's 12 times 9? That's equal to 108. So, kuha na natin agad ang x, y. Kaya, xy is 108. Reciprocal niya ay 1 over 108. But, that takes like super big knowledge to get. Like, dapat alam mo lahat ng yun. Yes. why is math all connected? That's a good question. But yes, it's so fun, diba? Pag alam mo yung mga ganong, like, shortcuts. But yes. Isn't that so amazing, guys? I'll put here, shortcut. Amazing. You're overestimating us. No, guys. Kaya nga, ito muna yung in-explain ko. This is more of the long way. Pero if memorize nyo yung 3, 4, 5, kasi may kita mo palang agad dito, pag nabasa mo yung first line, alam mo na 15 yan. So, yung 15 na yan, part siya ng 3, 4, 5. Ano yung 3 and 4 sa 3, 4, 5? So, yes. I mean, it's a case-to-case basis, so I'm not sure if we can find other things. Mas matalino batch nyo, sabi ni Nico. Nico, 100% kaya sa batch mo, kasi onti lang yung mga tao. 100% win rate. Madali po ba UPCAT kahit walang review? Need mo mag-review kahit 2 weeks na lang. Guys, it's 2 weeks left till the UPCAT. I should put a sign somewhere, an alert. 2 weeks left till the UPCAT. So you guys better lock in right now. Oh, why did I switch them? Well, I didn't switch them. I just multiplied it. So let me write that again if you want. So we just have to multiply x and y is 3 and 4. So that's 9 times 12 is equal to 108. Yes, you are summa cum laude. Good for you, Martin. More example, I don't know what, word problem kasi yan, guys, hindi siya masyadong, let's see, hala, log. Wait, let's skip log, guys. I don't think I know log right now. Or do you want to get into logarithms? Hala, naglag. Do you guys want logarithms? Wag na yan, diba? Nico, kailangan ba yun? Ay, sige na nga. Hanapin natin ang lesson plan nun. Hanap tayo ng lesson plan ng logarithms. We have to go back to the PTS reviewer. Again, this PTS reviewer is in the Instagram highlights. You guys can check it out. Let's look for logarithms so we can learn about it. Where is it? Do you guys see it? I don't see it. Log. Oh, here. Exponential logarithm 56. Page 56. Let's go to page 56. Why is it not letting me hit? Page 56. Okay, properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithm. Wow, ang laki ng screen, guys. Hindi ba kayo na-amaze? Have you seen na po yung reviewer na binigay ng UPCAT? Okay, I haven't gone through it, but I said I would, but I'll try to go through it, okay, this week or tomorrow. Where can I access yung ganyang reviewer? Over here. Oh, shit, I can't point, guys, over here. I used to point over here. Over here siya. Free reviewers in Instagram highlights. So check out the Instagram highlights for the free PDF reviewers and YouTube for the recordings of the live. So if you guys are pressured to stay, yeah, check out the live. But guys, what I'm noticing is I don't know if there are less people because bumabagyo. That's one possibility. Or if landscape mode, hindi siya lumalabas sa FYP. So, I don't know. No, I'm not taking the UPCAT, guys. I graduated college already. Let's go through. Not the emergency alert. Okay. I'm late. It's okay, guys, if you're late. You can watch the recording from the start. Okay, we're gonna go through logarithms today. The exponent or power x to which the number a is raised to give the number b is called the logarithm of b to the base a and will be written as log ab is equal to x is equal to ax raised to b. What are they saying, guys? Okay, wait. We're gonna go through this together. So, what does that mean? So, ang exponential function, ang kabaligtaran niya ang logarithm. So, di ba inaral na natin yung radicals and exponentials. Medyo same siya sa logarithms in the way na kapag, kunyari, given ang 2 raised to x is equal to 32. What is x over here, guys? Show your medal. Oh yeah, I haven't been showing it in a while. So, paano malalaman kung ano ang x dito? Yes, it's 5. Pero paano siya malalaman? Pwede mo siya ilagay sa calcu as log of 2 base B. Log 2 ng 32 is equal to, pag nilagay mo to sa calcu guys, lalabas ay equal to 2. So, ang hinahanap dito ay exponent. Yun yung meaning niya. Ang hinahanap natin ay saan i-multiply ang base na 2 para maging equal to 32. Yun ang sinasagot ng logarithms. Yes. So, yun ang sinasagot ng logarithms. And then, paano ba siya sinasolve? So, we here have the properties of logarithms. This is scary. So, medyo similar yung properties niya sa properties ng exponents. For example, one property of exponents is x squared multiply to x cubed. What's the answer here, guys? X squared multiply to x cubed. What's the answer? Bakit 2? Oh, it's 5. Yes, it's 5. Sorry. The answer is 5. Is it x? Yes, Liams. It's x. The answer is x raised to 5. Bakit siya x raised to 5? Kasi multiply sila, so i-add yung exponent nila. In the same way, itong unang number dito, itong unang property, kapag minultiply yung a and b, magiging add siya pag hiniwalay siya. So, multiply becomes add. Here, ang multiply becomes adding the exponents, diba? 2 plus 3, yung exponents. Pag gusto mo ihiwalay yung base, pwede siya ihiwalay as same base and then plus a and then plus b. Yes. Parang binabaligtad lang yung law of exponents, guys. What about this second one? Log a b is equal to 1 over log b times a. Guys, this is so hard on the brain. You don't need this. Char. Nico, do you remember how many log questions come out? Because even I don't memorize this. Let me think about the ones we really need. Etong first and second, medyo similar sila. Eto, minus lang siya kasi divide siya. So, pag multiply, magiging plus. Pag divide, magiging minus. If you're struggling, paano pa kami? Honestly, it's because I don't use this. Kaya hindi siya lumalabas sa brain ko right away. Pero, yeah, that's kinda it. But, let's give an example. For example, ano ba yung tanong kanina? Check nga natin. What is the answer, the question kanina? Here. The question says, if log 10x plus log 10 8 is equal to log 10 16, then x is equal to what? Oh, we got this kanina. So, ito yung unang, I think 2. Guys, if 2 out of 60 questions is log, then you don't need log. Char. Hulaan mo, Nico, hinulaan mo ba yun? Yung log? Or alam mo yung log? Okay, so, what do we do here? So, remember, kanina, log b na a, log x ab is equal to log x a plus log b x, log xb. I don't know how to read this pala, I forgot. I guessed. Guys, hulaan nyo na lang pag log yung tanong. So, what are we gonna do? Kita nyo dito, etong multiply na part, this part na a and b na minultiply is over here. Tapos, yung addition pala yun. And then, the multiply part is over here. So, basically, what we're looking at is yung x times 8, kasi a to, sabihin natin a to, eto b. X times 8 is equal to, ayan, x and 8. So, we just have to get x times 8, right? So, 16 is equal to 8x. Divide both sides by 8. And the answer is 2. Do you guys get it? We just have to memorize. Need mo siya i-memorize yung properties niya. Pero ako hindi ko siya memorize. So, if I were you, I would make a guess. Did we get letter A? Yes, the answer is letter A. Pero mahirap siya. Mas mahirap science for me, guys. Okay, wait. Let me just turn on the aircon because it's hot. Ang liit ng video. If maliit siya, pwede mo siya Nico, can you tell them to full screen it? Full screen nyo siya, guys. Oh, maliit yung video na face ko. I don't think that... Why do you want the face to be big? Naiwan na ako. It's okay, Mac. You guys can watch it sa recording na lang. Science Reviewer, meron sa link sa Instagram. So, check my Instagram highlights. Madaming, yes, science doon. Mas nakafocus po pagkita yung mukha nyo. Crazy, that's crazy. Actually, feel ko nga. Kasi may napapanood din ako mga live na nagmamat sila. Pero hindi kita yung mukha. Tapos, iniisip ko, mas entertaining pag may personality. Like, I was also watching Coach Laika, and maganda yung setup niya. Like, actually professional. Pero, yeah. Number 89. Are we ready? Number 89. So, the tests are in Instagram. PE lang po madali. Walang PE sa ano, guys. Yes. The solution set of 3y plus 2x is greater than or equal to 2 does not include points in the quadrant. Guys, I don't know domain and range. What about we get out of here? What's the answer? Let me try to think. I'm gonna make up YouTube. Yes. We can end the live at like 9:30 since I feel like there are not a lot of people and baka binabagyo sila. So, recordings are on YouTube, guys. Nasa screen po yung rainbow. Yes. Should I pick a more matingkad na color? Here is the Instagram and here is the recordings. What do we do here, guys? We need to look for... I don't want domain and range. I don't like the last questions. What is the following theme? Oh, I like this one. We're gonna answer this one. Include points from each quadrant, perhaps. Okay, we're just gonna test it out because I do not know how to solve. Pero this is domain lang. Basically domain. But what we're gonna do, let's get a point from each quadrant. So, a point here, the easiest point to use is 1. So, we're gonna use 1 for everything. This will be 1, 1. This will be negative 1, 1. What will be the point down here, guys? Sa third quadrant. What would be the point? What will it be? Yes, negative, negative. So we're doing negative 1, negative 1. Yes, mu. Good job. And then this one will be positive 1, negative 1. So try natin kung alin yung hindi kagana. Dapat greater than or equal to 2 ang sagot. So this first one will become 3 plus 2 is greater than 2. So check ito. This one will be negative 3 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. This is equal to 1. So 1 is not greater than 2. So x na agad to. Right? Yes. And then, what else? And then if you try the others, hala, ito ba? Does this one work? It will be negative 3. Ay, joke lang. Baligtad pala. Y pala ang 3y. So this will be y, tama. 3y 3 minus 2 greater than 2. So it's wrong. Right? What about this one? This will be negative 3 minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. This one also doesn't work. And then lastly, this one will be negative 3 plus 2 is greater than 2. This will become 1. This will become 1. So, this one kinda, is this the only one that works? Do you think the question says does not include the points? I don't get it either. Feel ko baligtad. Greater than 2. Let's look at the answer, guys. 89. Letter C daw. Third quadrant. Maybe kasi negative yung lumabas. Tamang answer is A. Mali ang question. A na lang siya yung different. Feel ko nga, if not yung tanong, if hindi not yung tanong, letter A dapat. Okay. Let's not do that one. That's kinda hard. Okay. We're gonna try the next number, if that's alright with you guys. Oh, get the x and y intercepts in graph. They said get the x and y. Bakit x po yung 3? I'm skipping. Free will. We're gonna go back to that next time. Okay, but for now, the brain is not braining, guys. If I can't answer it, I don't know. I just can't. Find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. X, then y. Then 2y minus x. Okay, so what we have to notice here is kung anong nangyayari sa y and sa x. So, dito sa second, nawala si y. Nawala si x. So, minus x yon. Tapos, nadagdagan ng y. So, it will be y minus x ang common difference. Do you guys remember arithmetic? Letter B daw yung answer. Hindi ba letter C? Letter C nakalagay. I'm gonna put up the poll for this one because I think I can answer this one naman. So, yes, we're putting up the poll for this one. Letter B, check formula. C daw ang 89. Wag na natin siyang problemahin. Minsan talaga walang sagot sa kung bakit ka mahalaga. Sayangs. What formula did you use? What's the answer to this one, guys? You can vote on the poll. Ay, letter C daw sagot dito. So, basically, the common difference is y minus x. So, yung y dito, nag-add siya ng plus y minus x. So, yung next ulit, magpa-plus y tayo. That will become 3y. And then, minus x will be minus 2x. Kasi nag-minus ulit tayo ng isa pang x. So, the answer is letter C. A very basic, this one. We all love arithmetic sequence. Yum burger formula. Yum burger formula. If all else fails, whip out the yum burger. Hala, for any real number na naman. For any real number, x minus 3 raised to 5 minus x minus 2 times x minus 3 raised to 4 is equal to. This one's hard because you have to memorize the formulas. So, here. Nag-promo Jollibee, no, pag UPCAT. Nga, no. Dapat kunin ako ng Jollibee. Tapos, i-promote natin. UPCAT Jollibee collab. Paulit here. So, for example, guys, remember, 2 plus. For example, when we have an arithmetic progression of 2, 4, 6, 8, what is their common difference? How do you get from here to here? How do you get from 2 to 4? And then, 6 to 8. Anong ina-add natin? Julia B. That's so funny. Uwi na po. Goodbye, River. Uwi ka na. Yes, 2 ang ina-add. 2 ang ina-add. I-pitch kaya natin yan sa Jollibee. So, yes, nag-add tayo ng 2. And then, dito naman sa example na to, for example, naging 2 and then x. Paano magiging 2 to x? So, mahihirapan tayo isipin, diba? But what you can think about is, ang nangyari dyan is nag-minus tayo ng 2. So, nawala si 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then, nag-add tayo ng x. So, ang common formula nila ay negative 2 plus x. Yun ang common difference. So, dito sa example natin na x, y, 2y minus x, ang nangyari dito sa start ay nawala si x, nag-minus ng x, nag-add ng y. Dito sa unang number. Kaya siya naging equal to y lang. Gets nyo ba? So, kunyari, ito yung common formula natin. It will become x minus x plus y. Dito sa una, ito yung una. Maka-cancel out si x dito. Tapos, matitira na lang si y. Kaya, ang second term niya ay y. Tapos, ang third term, that will be, ang third term dyan ay y minus x plus y. So, magiging 2y minus x. So, gumagana yung formula natin. Yes. Gumagana ang formula natin. Another example daw. Okay, we can give another example for that. Let me think. Let's go from 4, comma, 2x. What is the next one? What is the next term over here, guys? I actually don't know. What's the next term here? N sub 2 minus N sub 1. Yes. Oh, yeah. The formula is N sub 2 minus N sub 1. You're so smart. Oh, yeah. So, if you don't want to analyze it, sabi nung tao is N sub 2 minus N sub 1. So, for example, all you have to do is second minus first. So, kita mo na agad na y minus x yung formula. So, for this one, it will be N sub 2, 2x minus N sub 1. So, 2x minus 4 ang common ratio. So, what guys? Yan yung common ratio. So, what will be the next term? After getting the common ratio, what will be the next term? It will be 4x. So, it will be 2x plus 2x is 4x minus 4. So, 4x minus 4 ang next term. Amazing. Okay, we did it. We did it. We're so close. We're so close to the end. Number 91. Ang astig. What? It's okay, guys. If you're late, just watch the recording. Today is kind of a low energy day because first of all, it's been raining the entire day and people are having a hard time, you know, not everybody is safe in their homes. So I think it's okay that you guys rest today. You know, it's okay to not study when the world is kind of like going crazy. You can chill out, guys. Number 91. Let me put up the poll so you can start guessing. Okay. You've been waiting for the live? Yes, I go live every day at 8 p.m. I think I can go live tomorrow again. Number 91. For any real number, x minus 3 raised to 5 minus x minus 2 times x minus 3 raised to 4 is equal to what? Oh, I know what we're gonna do here. Okay, so x minus 3 raised to 5 minus x minus 2 times x minus 3 raised to 4 is equal to what? So what are we gonna do here? I think what we're gonna do is factor, guys. We're gonna factor out, right? We're gonna factor what we can factor. So as you can see, same itong x minus 3 and x minus 3 dito. So ang gagawin ko ay ipapagsama ko sila. Ay, ipa-factor out ko pala dito. Dito sa una, gagawin natin siyang x minus 3 times x minus 3 raised to 4. Gets nyo ba? So, what we did is nagtanggal tayo ng isa dito sa exponent and nilabas natin siya. So, same lang siya. Nilabas lang natin siya. Say yes if gets so we can move on to the next step. Guys, the poll is still open, so make sure to answer the poll. Only 20 people have answered the poll so far. Okay, gets. Why? Kasi okay, I'm gonna write the next step, which is let's bring this down. The rest of this will be minus x minus 2 times x minus 3 times 4. So, as you can see, pareho na this one over here is the same thing as this one over here. Okay? Pareho na si x minus 3 raised to 4 and si x minus 3 raised to 4. So, anong pwede natin gawin? Pwede natin siya i-factor out. Okay? Hindi siya maka-cancel. Ipa-factor out. So, same thing, similar to canceling. Ang gagawin natin is ilalabas natin siya. For example, magiging x minus 3 raised to 4. Malalabas sila pareho kasi ayan siya. And then, yung loob ay magiging multiplied by etong una, which is this one over here, will become x minus 3. Copy the minus sign, minus, and then copy the last one, x minus 2. So, that's what happens when you factor out, okay? Yes. A daw ang sagot. Bakit nyo nakuha ang A? Okay, wait. Let's see. Tapos, the poll is still open, guys. I'll restart the poll just so you can bawi-bawi. I'm not sure if it's letter A though. Okay, so we put it out already. Nilabas na natin siya. Okay, remember may equal sign yan. Pero hindi siya equal to 0. So, hindi siya pwede i-cancel out. What happens next? So, eto, substitute na natin yung minus sign. Magiging x minus 3 minus x plus 2. So, we put that together. That will be maka-cancel out si x. Ay, copy pa rin natin to. It will be x minus 3 raised to 4. Multiplied to this over here. X minus 3 minus x minus 2. That will leave us with x minus 3 raised to 4. And then, ano yung matitira? Times negative 1. So, the answer is letter C. Oh, the poll is open. The poll is open. Oh, you can't see the poll? I haven't tried going live on the laptop, so I'm not sure if you can see the poll from the laptop. But I think, try to click any buttons na meron dyan. The answer, guys, is letter C. Kasi negative 1 times x minus 3 raised to 4. Do you guys know how to factor? Yes. Wala poll sa laptop. Oh, really? It's okay. Ang nangyari sa mga sumagot ng A kanina is kinancel out nila. But pag nagpa-factor tayo, guys, hindi nyo siya pwede i-cancel right away. Hindi siya pwede i-cancel kasi hindi siya equation. Kasi hindi natin alam yung hindi siya equal to 0. Pag equal to 0, doon tayo pwede mag-cancel. Bakit naging x plus 2? Because over here, paano daw naging x plus 2? Yung minus sign is kinalat. Dinistribute natin. So, we distribute the minus sign, magiging positive siya, and then negative to. So, negative x, tapos, negative times negative over here becomes positive 2. Gets. Paano po na isa yung x minus 3? Ito yung x minus 3. Saan pupunta yung dalawang x minus 3 raised to 4? Napunta sila sa labas, guys. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let me give you another example kung paano na pupunta sa labas. Diba ito yung dalawang x minus 3 times 4. Dahil pareho sila, pwede natin sila ilabas. So, nilabas natin sila, nilagay natin sila sa labas ng parenthesis as the factor. So, I'll give you another example. X. So, how do we factor this, guys? The first thing we need to know is what is... Wait, let me put another one. What is yung similar na part niya? Ano yung sa dalawa sa kanila is similar? Or what is the factor na pwede? Yes, their factor is 2x, 2x. 2x mismo. So, we can put out 2x. Yung 2x dito, pwede natin ilabas. So, we can rewrite this as 2x times x, 2x, 2x squared pala siya. Minus 2xy. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, imagine it in one big bubble. Tapos, dahil meron silang pareho, pwede natin ilabas yung isang 2x. Labas natin to, and labas natin yung 2x dito. So, magiging 2x sa labas, magiging isa na lang siya. And then, it will become, yung matitira sa loob. It will be 2x, copy this over here, minus sign, and y. So, the answer is 2x times 2x minus y. Ayun ang factor niya. Okay, I'll give one more example. Can I give another example? Do you guys want one more example? We're gonna give a hard one. Sorry. Let me think. Lag utak ko today. Ganun talaga, guys. Malakas kasi yung ulan. Okay. Kailan mag-end? We can end at 9:30. Okay? Or 6 minutes. Just to reach the 1 hour mark. It's been 54 minutes so far. So, if you want to end soon, it's okay. Today is a Saturday. It is very late. Saan po napunta yung x minus 3 raised to 5? Hiniwalay natin siya. So, we have x minus 3 raised to 5. Same lang yan as pag nilabas natin yung isa. Kasi itong dalawa, when you multiply this, magiging ito lang siya. Okay? Okay. What techniques can you give to identify which number is the greatest? The technique there is to memorize simple fractions. So, yes, I have do you know the list of simple fractions? Okay. What next do we do? Thank you, Odin, for the heart. Welcome to the live. I hope you are doing well. The hand hearts. Yes, today is a very slow day for us. Even my brain is slow. I'm gonna give you guys an example. Thank you again, Odin. Wait, why do they look different? Why do the hand hearts look different? Amazing. Thank you so much for the hand hearts. W. Odin. Welcome back to the live. If you want to solve this, you can solve this with us. X minus y. I'll make one. X squared minus y squared minus 5x plus y. Okay, guys, factor please. Can anybody factor this for me? Can anybody factor this for me? May crash course din kasi school namin. Yun lang din time ko to review since kakagaling ng VK. Are they asking you how you reviewed, Nico? Amazing. For the diversity, thank you, Odin. Odin, what job do you have? How do we get rich like you? STEM ka daw ba, Nico? Who brought me back to middle school? Thank you, Odin. Odin, would you like to answer this? X plus y outside. Yes, somebody. Okay, so what do we know about this, guys? We're gonna answer it together. What do we know about this? This is dots, okay? You're a PhD student. What are you taking up? What's your doctorate? Amazing. I want to be a PhD student. This is dots, guys. Remember? So this is x plus y times x minus y. X plus y. Wow, chemistry. That's crazy. How do you make money while being a PhD student? X plus y. You typed the answer and it disappeared. So what do we notice, guys? What is the common factor? What is the common factor? It's x plus y. X plus y is the common factor. Oh, that's an ugly color. X plus y, x plus y. So, we have to put it out. Remember, this is one big bubble. Imagine all of this in one big bubble and then lalabas sila ng bahay. Yes. Yes, sakit sa ulo daw, Odin. Odin, teach them science. This is the time to start your chem career. So, we put out x plus y. Put it outside of the bubble into 1. It becomes x plus y. Day 2 ka pa lang sa YouTube. Day 27 na, guys. 1 month na tayo nagla-live stream. And then, anong matitira sa loob, guys? Anong matitira sa loob? Copy natin itong x minus y. And then, ang matitira dito ay 5. So, x minus y minus 5. And this is the final answer. X plus y times x minus y minus 5. This is actually very satisfying when you start learning it. What did Odin say? I didn't see. After graduation? Okay, amazing. When are you graduating? You should be like OrgChem tutor. OrgChem tutor. 1 point. Congrats. Did you guys get it? Did you guys get this one? 2 years from now, matagal pa. Okay, so what we did here, guys, we're trying to factor basically x squared minus y squared, magiging dots siya, or difference of two squares, which is x plus y times x minus y. Oh, then where do you study? I wanna do masters one day, and then, pero I don't want a PhD. I think masters lang ang goal ko. Pwede ba siblings sa Ateneo both with full scholarship? That's a good question. Actually, I'm not sure. Pero sa DOST, bawal magkapatid sa DOST. Tapos, ito copy lang. And then, we want to put out both this x plus y. So, nilabas natin siya and nilagay natin siya dito. And then, ang matitira ay matitira pa rin sa loob. So, x minus y goes down here, and minus 5 goes down here. So, that is Chem Eng. You're Chem Eng? Oh, then from where? My friend is Chem Eng. Wait, is that why, do you have a job while doing a PhD? I have so many questions, because how do you have money to give gifts? Okay, do we get it, guys? Are we gonna answer the next question? Okay, next question. Thank you very much. Interviewing Odin while we answer the last few questions. Okay, etong number 92, guys. I'm gonna restart the poll. Restarting the poll. Kailan mag-change yung campus and course choices after the UPCAT? USTET and ACET, October to November. Pati yung DCAT. That's a little secret. That's crazy. Okay, number 92. Which of the following has the same value as I raised to 62? Okay, so dito papasok ang knowledge natin about I. Do you guys know what I is? I is equal to the square root of negative 1. Bakit siya I? Because I means imaginary. I is not the same as X. I is an actual irrational number. Yes, it means imaginary. So, bakit siya imaginary? Kasi bawal magkaroon ng negative sa loob ng square root. And, excuse me. Yes. Pero, ayan. So, yung value niya is square root of negative 1. Now, when it comes to I raised to 1, may pattern kasi ito. And it has four, what do you call that? It has four, negative I po ba? I lang. Wait lang. So, yes. It has a pattern. For example, let me write it down. Yung pattern niya is first I raised to 1. What's I raised to 1, guys? Is the same thing as I. That will be raised to negative 1. What about I raised to 2? I raised to 2 is equal to same thing as multiplying negative 1 times square root of negative 1. Pag nag-multiply tayo ng dalawang square root, what will it give us? Maka-cancel ang square root, so magiging negative 1. So, this is negative 1. What about I raised to 3? So, alam natin na this is negative 1. Multiply natin siya sa square root of negative 1. So, magiging negative square root of negative 1. Right? And lastly, we have I raised to 4, which is the same thing as I squared. So, square naman natin tong I. That will give us positive 1. Positive 1. 9:29 na. We're gonna finish this question lang. And then, okay, so from there, ito ang pattern niya. And if you look up I raised to 5, what is I raised to 5, guys? Lalabas lang siya. This is just equal to I. This is equal to negative I, guys. Negative I. So, I raised to 5 will be equal to, which one is it here? Is it I? Negative 1? Negative I or 1? Why is raised to 4 positive 1? Because you have to, I squared is equal to negative 1. I squared is negative 1 squared. Negative 1 squared is equal to 1. Kaya I raised to 4 is negative 1. Is positive 1. I raised to 4 is positive 1. Even, positive, odd, negative. That's not, let me see. Even, positive, odd, negative. Not really. What we're gonna do is, based on this 4, we have to know, wait, how do I say this? Let me see, how do I say this? Thank you for the panda climb. I've never seen that before. Thank you, Odin. Do you want to answer our question? The remainder, yes, the remainder. So, for example, I raised to 5. I raised to 5, ano sagot, guys? It will be 1 times, I raised to 4 times I. So, that's just 1 times I is equal to I. So, as you can see, same yung sagot niya dito sa I raised to 1. And why is that? Because the exponent na 5, when you divide it by 4, 5 divided by 4, what's the exponent? What's the remainder? 5 divided by 4, what's the remainder? 5 divided by 4, what's the remainder? The remainder is 1. So, it should go up here. So, kung ano yung remainder, if the remainder is 1, this is the answer. If remainder is 2, this is the answer. Remainder 3. Remainder 0 is this. So, we have to look at 62. 62 divided by 4. How many 62, how many 4s are there in 62? 60 is the total. So yes, you can make up to 60.
15?
What? Yes, 15 ang meron. And if 15 times 4 is 60, what is the remainder, guys? What's the remainder? What's the remainder? 8 p.m. lang live usually. Look, Odin's back. 1-1. He gave us hand hearts and a panda climb. That's crazy.
Welcome back, Odin.
Odin said, okay. The remainder is 2. And all you have to do is get the remainder. So once you get the remainder, the answer is over here, which is negative 1. Letter B. Bakit siya negative 1? Kasi sabi dito, this is batas na to, okay? This thing is fixed. This thing over here is a fixed rule. Yes. Yes. Yes, galing. Okay, are we done? Or do you want to keep going, guys? Do you want to keep going down here? Oh, we can go down here if you want. Wait, what is the question? I raised to 0. I raised to 0 is 1, yes. Anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Keep going? Okay, let's keep going.
Does it sound good?
Let me copy. Okay, screenshot this. But you can also, I'm gonna upload the annotated file.
Does that sound good?
Sure. I'm gonna put eye drops. Kapatid mo ba ang sikat na memes? What do you mean?
Ang sagot ay hindi po
Why?
ate. Ha?
Why?
That's a meme. Hindi po ate.
Okay. Where nyo pin-upload annotated file on Instagram, check the free reviewers or check the 5th story sa Instagram highlights ko. Okay, are we ready to move on? Yes, I posted on YouTube, guys. Every night, I post it on YouTube. You can rewatch. Thank you, Elise, for the gifts. You guys can rewatch the ano. Yes. Hala, DOST exam na daw. Good luck, guys. Bakit dinivide by 4? Kasi kailangan natin hanapin yung remainder to get kung alin yung rule. May rule kasi yan. There's always gonna be a question about I, and it's the same rule all the time. Okay, so you don't really have to solve. Okay, eat what?
Corned beef.
Again, you're gonna paluto?
No, it's the one that's in the wrap.
Okay, bye.
Mwah.
Bye.
Kiss me back.
No?
Kiss me back.
Nope.
Mwah. Kiss me back.
I'm dad. Nope.
Huh? Whoa. Shh. Shh. That's gonna be in the VOD.
The VOD? I'm a streamer?
Yes.
Okay.
High five.
Good luck sa UPCAT. Okay. Number 93. Number 93, guys. The product of, we're gonna multiply this lang, of negative xm plus 1 times negative xm minus 1 is... Ooh, I actually don't know. Joke lang. I think when we multiply them, let's try it with a simple example. Try nga natin ng simple example. Negative x squared times negative x squared. Kasama niya ba yung negative? Nasa loob ba yung negative? What will the answer be? It will be positive x raised to 4, diba? Magiging positive siya. Tama ba? Kasi negative sila pareho. So, makakancel out yung negative sign. Tapos, yes, nakakancel out ang negative sign, guys. So, in the same way, makakancel out ang negative sign, magiging positive x, and then you need to add lang, kasi multiply, so you need to add all of it together. M plus 1 plus m minus 1. So, m plus 1 plus m minus 1 is equal to, makakancel yung 1, so that's equal to x square, 2x raised to 2m. So, the answer is, did you guys vote on the poll? Restart poll. I mean, the poll's done, but is the answer letter A? Letter A is the answer. Let's just check if it's correct. 93. 93 is letter A. I'm correct. Amazing. Letter A is the answer. So, if nahihirapan kayo mag-solve, guys, try to look for the what do you call that? simple examples first. Why po kinancel? Kasi, for example, -2 times -2. You cancel out the negative. Negative times negative equals positive. Okay? Yes. Lagi po ba i-divide sa 4? Yes. You always divide by 4 and get the remainder. Pag 0 yung remainder, for example, I'll give another example here, guys. Can you tell me what is the answer? Okay, I'm gonna make the poll. Restart the poll. For I raised to 125, for I raised to 125, is it A, B, C, or D? Wait lang. The poll's not working. For I raised to... Wait lang. Restarting the poll. For I raised to 1 to 5, is the answer A, B, C, or D? So, this type of question, templated na siya. Like, you just have to divide it. And then, kung gusto nyo i-memorize itong nakabox na to, pwede naman. Kasi yan lagi ang lalabas. Pero you can always just solve it on hand. Yung square po ba ng -1? What? All you have to do is divide 125 by 4. Yes. Divide 125 by 4. I know that 124 is divisible by 4. So, ang remainder niya ay 1. And dahil remainder niya ay 1, we know na ay ang sagot over here. So, that's all you have to do, guys. Why po naging x squared? Example lang yun, guys. Walang x squared dito. Where are we looking? We added it. Remember, when you're multiplying x times 2, x times 3, x squared times x cubed, that's equal to x raised to 5. So, need mo i-add ang exponents. Yes, I upload the recording. Drop your questions daw for Nico. Nico is from UP Mindanao. Nico. Mindanao. I keep saying UP Manila. Ambot sa imo. Why? Wait, is that in a negative way? Diba, why are you... I uploaded on YouTube, guys. Mindanao. Example niyo sa I. Okay, I'll give another example sa I. One more, guys. I is equal to... I raised to 63. What about I raised to 63? Is it A, B, C, or D? I'm restarting the poll. A, B, C, or D for I raised to 63. Ay, 62 pala yung tanong. Never mind. Very easy. Letter, what's the answer? D or... Bakit D yung sagot ng mga tao? Vote in the poll, guys. I raised to 63. What is the answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Based on what we gave already. Hala, ang daming sumasagot. Is it C or D? Madaming sumasagot ng C or D. Where nyo pin-upload yung my AC? Annotated? Bakit D, guys? 63 is not divisible by 4. Okay, wait. A lot of people are voting D. Are you copying somebody? Because 63 divided by 4, ang remainder niya ay 3. If remainder ay 3, guys, remainder ay 3, dito tayo. So, dapat negative I. Ay, tama. Letter D pala. Letter D pala. Ito kasi yung tinitignan ko. Kala ko A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. You're better than me, guys. Gusto ko yan. Pina-question pa. Pinakaba ko lang kayo. Negative I is the answer. So, hindi ko kasi tinitignan yung choices. But yeah, kala ko A, B, C, or D ito. But this is letter D pala. So, the answer is letter D. Ano favorite subject nyo? After that, I don't know. I think maybe. Yung reviewer ko, guys, same lang. Yes, Nico was here, guys, during our reviews. Nico was the first batch. The pioneer batch. Yung huling number po ba tinitignan? Tinitignan yung remainder. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng remainder, guys? Is, kunyari, 5. When you divide it by 4, 1 ang sagot, pero may matitirang 1. Diba tinuruan tayo ng remainder before? So, yung whole number, 4, isa lang yan, and then may matitirang 1 na hindi na divisible. So, yung 1 na yon, dito mo siya titignan. Kapag remainder niya ay 1, ang sagot ay ito agad. Okay? Pag remainder niya ay 0, or pag divisible siya by 4, 1 ang sagot. Ganun siya, guys. It's a rule. It's a given rule. Dito sa question na to. Laging may gantong question. Need i-memorize? Pwede mong i-memorize or pwedeng hindi. Ang ginagawa ko every time may gantong question, sinosolve ko lang tong apat. Madali lang naman i-solve itong apat. Need mo lang siya isa-isahin. So, ang need mo lang i-memorize ay I is equal to negative 1. I squared of negative 1. Kasi pag memorize mo na to, kaya mo na siya i-square. So, I squared will be square na to. So, remove lang ito. Ganun lang siya, guys. You just have to memorize this first one. And then, pwede mo na i-solve ang the rest. Are we ready to move on to this one? I don't want that. Char. If y is an integer and y, what is the least possible value of y? Last na to. Okay, we can end here, guys. We can end here. Last number. If this is what you want, guys. Also, yes. B. Thank you, Robbie Vedder. If you're new here, guys, welcome to the live. We go live every day for the UPCAT. Yes. We go live every day. The UPCAT is in 2 weeks. Literally 14 days away. So you better lock in, guys. Lilibre daw kayo ni Nico sa campus if mag-data science kayo. Isa lang ba yung org nyo, Nico? Basically, this is y plus 3 greater than 0. Yes, all the items will be uploaded and in the file na Julia's annotated reviewers. I give the Google Drive link, guys. So, all you have to do is, when it comes to inequalities, just look at it as an equal sign, okay? Same lang yan sa equal sign. So, ang gagawin natin, transpose natin sa kabilang side, si 3. So, that will be y. Just imagine it's an equal sign, okay? Y is greater than negative 3. Y is greater than negative 3. Don't look at this. This is not included. Y is greater than negative 3. So, what is the least possible value? It has to be, restarting the poll, what's the answer? Integer daw siya. Ang ibig sabihin ng integer is whole number siya na pwedeng positive or negative. So, the answer is, bakit po naging equal? Same lang yan. Ganun talagang inequalities, guys. When you do inequalities, it's the same way as solving for equalities. My friend taught me that in grade 8, and kasi dati takot ako sa inequalities, like di ako marunong mag-solve ng inequalities. So, all you have to do is imagine it's an equal sign. Kasi, di ba sa equal sign, lagi tayo nagta-transpose. So, yes, bawal siya maging negative 3, kaya the answer is negative 2. Letter B. Negative 2. Do you want another example of inequalities? Let's try to look for an example. Bakit? Ganun talaga siya, guys. Like, wait, paano? Let's try to look for another example. I'll look for another example. Hanap tayo ng isa pang example ng inequalities. So, I'm gonna look here. Yung mga hindi pa natin na-solve na inequalities. Inequalities. Ay, mahirap yung inequalities nila. Ito, for example, guys. Graph. Hanapin natin yung graph for this. Number 31. We're looking at number 31. Wow, ang laki niya dito, guys, pag landscape. I'm restarting the poll. So, all we have to do, given 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1, all you have to do is solve it like an equality. Okay? All we have to do is solve it like an equality. So, same siya as solving for x. So, that will be 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1. So, what I do, pag ako yung nagsasolve, tinatanggal ko yung sign, ginagawa ko siyang equal sign. Basta tandaan mo na dito siya nakaharap. Okay? How do we solve this? Ay, hindi pala siya 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. So, first thing I'm gonna do, let's distribute. Yes, may bus live daw tayo. The day before the UPCAT. So, Friday night. This will be 3x minus 3. Dinistribute ko muna yung 3 is equal to 5x minus 2. What do we do next, guys? Lipat natin si x sa left side. So, x will go here. And then, si negative 2, ita-transpose natin to this side. So, that will be 5x minus 3x is equal to negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2. Okay? So that's what we did. And then transpose. Yes. And then that will become 2x is equal to negative 1. 2x is equal to negative 1. We divide both sides by... Hala. Tama ba? Ay, tama ba? Divide both sides by x. X? Bakit 1 yung... Divide both sides by x. Let's see what we'll get. Copy, binabalik ko na dito yung solution. So, divide both sides by 2. And that will give you x is less than or equal to negative 1/2. Why is it not here? Integers yung binibigay niya. So, you're sleepy na. Yes, this is the last question. Reciprocate the greater than or equal to. I don't think we have to reciprocate it kasi we're dividing by a positive number. We usually go live at 8 p.m. So, if you're new here, make sure to follow. Yes, follow guys if you're new here. Scores. Wow, may score count, Nico. Binibigay pala yung score. I thought hindi siya binibigay. $91 in science. Mamaw ka pala, Nico. Okay, x is less than... So, I don't know what the answer is. I think the answer is... C. Is your answer letter C? Or no? I think the answer is letter C because less than or equal to siya. Ay! Negative 1? Bakit negative 1? Feel ko ang layo ng sagot ko. Where did I go wrong? X minus 3. 3x minus 3. You're welcome, UPCAT. Nag-request to register. Amazing. A or C? I think the answer is C, guys. But it's wrong. I feel like it's wrong. Pero wala din answer key dito, so we can't really solve it right now. But maybe that's a sign to stop right now. Okay? We are ending there. I don't know. But this is the answer, guys. Like, this is the actual answer. Like, don't look at the graph anymore, but the answer should be x is less than negative 1/2. I'm kind of sure of that, okay? So, yes. Hindi ba D? Hindi kasi dapat, yung graph niya ay dapat nandito. Dito yung point. Tapos, pag ganun. I'm pretty sure with my answer, pero I don't know why it's not in the choices. Yes. So, that's kind of it. Do you guys have any questions? Dapat closed yung dot, guys. Okay, the last thing we can learn is open yung dot. Kita nyo, open yung dot kapag ganun lang siya. Pero closed yung dot kapag ganun siya. So, pag may equal sign, closed yung dot. Pag walang equal sign, open yung dot. Okay? Saan po i-show yung file? The file is in my Instagram. I also, if you join my TikTok bulletin or Instagram channel, nandun yung files, pwede nyo i-backread, okay? Nandun yung links, and then nasa Instagram highlights din yung links. So, just make sure to follow, and you can find it there, okay? Hanggang when po ba ang review live? Until the UPCAT. So, there are 14 days left till the UPCAT. We're gonna be going live as much as we can, mostly every day. Pero, I'll let you guys know naman every day sa IG channel if we go live. So, abangan nyo lang yung updates all the time there, okay? Yes, thank you, UPCAT. Been reviewing for solid 2 months. Good for you. Just make sure to review a lot of science. Sorry I can't help you guys on science. I really want to study science with you guys. But baka sa next year. Sinabi ko din yun last year. Pero, it's so scary kasi I don't wanna make a mistake. I don't wanna teach the wrong things sa science. Nico, 91 ka pala sa science. Gusto mo ikaw na lang magturo. What if mag-start ka na mag-live? Char. Nico mag-live sa science. Yes, si Wanwan. Wanwan's, I don't know if he's better than me at science. Good night, Anna. Say goodbye, guys, if you're leaving. We'll leave at 9:52. Do you want to leave at 9:52 or 9:54? How they use the UP grades? It's a 40, so the UP grade is 40% high school grades, 40% high school grades, and 60% UPCAT grades. So they just get the difference like that. Yes. UPCAT. So, need mo bumawi sa UPCAT if mababa ang high school grades mo. Yes. Bye, Danielle. Say goodbye, guys. Yes. We can end at 9:54. It sounds like a better number to me. Because 9 times 6 is 54. Kaya 9:54 tayo, Alice. Bye, Lilac. Thank you. Come back tomorrow, guys. I'll go live tomorrow. How do they use the grades from the junior high? Same lang ata. They use the whole grades. Like the average of your whole thing. Yes. Goodbye, cutie pot. Bye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow. Hindi kayo ang bahala, guys, kung August 2 or 3. I think depende sa UP yun. Hala, Nico, are you gonna do a story time on your own account? UPD to UP Mindanao. Bakit ka ba nag-Mindanao? I remember the story but I also forgot. You should make a story time, Nico. Yes. Bye, Dump. See you tomorrow, guys. We have 1 more minute. Bye, Zam. See you guys tomorrow. And Lloyd. Considered yung financial background, hindi siya kinoconsider sa UPCAT. Can we do JOM tomorrow? I'll look for a new reviewer. Since tapos na din tayo dito, we can look for a new reviewer. Maybe we can do JOM. Yes, story time once you visit UP Diliman. When are you coming, Nico? Just let us know when you're going there. Story time. Can't wait. Yung previous question po, please. Bakit -2? Let's go back. Oops. Okay. Bakit -2? Kasi, ang nakuha natin is y is greater than -3. Ang tanong is the least possible value. Dahil walang equal sign sa ilalim dito, hindi siya pwede maging equal to -3. And dahil integer siya, hindi siya pwede maging -2.9. So, ang closest na pinakamaliit sa -3 is -2. Kaya siya letter B. Yes, August 69 ako. Wow, may date ka na sure. Why are you going there, Nico? World tour ba yan? Ba't ka mag-UPD? Hala, Nico, we have to leave. Answer. Oh, you're gonna watch a musical. Okay, amazing. Okay, guys, we have to leave. 9:54. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, Chin. Bye, guys. Bye, Nico. I'll chat you on Instagram, Nico. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.